yeah, it looks nice. What's up, YouTube and all my spider riders out here? We are going to change those dull, boring tail light and reverse light, and we're gonna put some new style on it. Blacked out. Follow me. So we took that back seat off, and we're gonna start by removing these torque screws. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. It's gonna come out, and then we're gonna be able to get the tail lights out. So let me get a torque wrench and start doing that. So I'll be right back. I gotta find a torque wrench. Okay, you're gonna twist this, pull this out, expose your bulb. So you're gonna get these bulbs. I don't know why Can-Am's still using light bulbs. That's crazy. But anyway, let's get these shits out of here. And then we're gonna go with some, change those housings real quick. Get them out the way. All the screws are out, so these lights should just pop out, and there they go. They popped it right out. So look, just pop it, just pull it right out. They come right out. Save these old ones, and let's work with the new ones. So right here, we're working in the dark. So we got the blacked out tail lights, plug and play feature, and we have the reverse light also blacked out. So we're gonna go to the bike and start taking some things apart. So you have to screw a bracket to hold the resistors in. They give you a little bracket so this can mount. So I'm assuming these are gonna get a little hot. Take out the light, disconnect. Here's the bulb for the old one. I'm gonna put that new light in, run the wires through the hole, through this hole, run the wires in. Oh, they gave you some tabs. I think these are called clip nuts to go on, so you could screw the screws back in. Okay, we got the tail light. This is the reverse light. They all come with these little tabs. These are, I forgot what they call these, type of washers or lock nuts or whatever they are. You're gonna put those on there. Everything's gonna slide back into place, bolted up. They gave you new hardware to screw everything in. So we're just gonna finish that up, and I'm gonna show you, but everything just slides right back in. Real easy. Let's see how I look. Oh yeah, step on the brake. Yeah, installed, ran the wires, put the seat back on, looks dope. We in the house, another one in, another one out. Late night with the Riker Dr. Spyder Can-Am Craftsman.
6 hours later.
All right, so we're back again. After you saw that bike go out, we got another one just came in. They also want some underglow chaser lights. Check out this Spyder. All the work was done. All the work was done by the owner. This is the first time I'm touching it. Fog lights, air horn, Spyder floorboards, extended brake pedal, kicker music system, windshield, ultimate seats, backrest, backpack. This bike is clean, and the only thing it's missing is chaser lights. So we're gonna do a quick install of that, and pretty much you've seen me do those before, but I'm just gonna run these through, and I don't even know, whatever. I've been doing so many bikes I've lost my mind. All right, So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap into the wire of the 12-volt accessory harness, and I'm going to run chaser lights under the panels, under the swing arm on both sides, and a little bit underneath the back so the back would glow. It's going to look nice. Trust me. Let me get busy. So that's it. 2 in, 2 out. Riker Doctor in 2 days. Got more coming in. So not Riker Doctor, Can-Am Craftsman, Spyder, whatever you want, I'll take care of. All right. Everybody ride safe, and please like, subscribe, and follow.